Hi, and welcome to COVID-19 vaccine preferences by continent visualization. So the data set is downloaded from Kaggle.com, and it is about COVID world vaccination progress. Let's start by taking a look. Um, so this is the original data set. We see their countries, dates, vaccination data, as well as the vaccine preferences. So I did a bit of manipulation here using Python pandas, and this is what the dataset looks like after the manipulation. So here's a list of vaccines, here's a list of continent, and these numbers, they represent like numbers of country in this continent that use this specific type of vaccine. So let's go back to the notebook. So the dataset type of this dataset is table, and there are two things, continent and different vaccine types. The attribute is categorical for continent and numerical for vaccine count. The order and direction of vaccine count is sequential, and the dataset is static. So here's what the visualization looks like. As we see, this red bar is very high in many continents, Asia, Europe, and North America, and that represents Pfizer BioNTech, and that means it's the most popular vaccine worldwide. And we see in Europe and North America, the Moderna and Pfizer BioNTech are way more popular comparing with other vaccines, and that is probably because both vaccines are manufactured in Europe and North America. And in Asia, we see a bit of variation here. We see even though the Pfizer is still the most popular one, we see AstraZeneca. We also see some vaccine developed by Asian countries, like Covaxin from India, Sinopharm and Sinovac from China. And that's why you're seeing a bit of variation here. And in continents in Africa and South America, we see the numbers are low for all types of vaccine because there is a significant vaccine shortages. People that in these two continents don't really have a choice. They have to use whatever they're given. Even though that this actually illustrates, even if there's a equal distribution system called COVAX, led by the UN, the vaccine distribution inequality is still a thing, and people in developing countries are still suffering from the vaccine shortages. So there's also another column called others, and that is because in the original data set, it also includes some of the regions that are not supposed to be a independent country. For instance, England, Scotland, Wales, something like that. But to preserve the originality of the data set, I decided instead of deleting them, I'm just going to keep it there as the others category. Thanks for watching.